You're having some trouble there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cannot start video. Failed to start. Please select another video camera in settings. It's not letting us start the video.
Okay. Huh. So, okay, well, we can forego that for now. Not sure. You want to make sure this works before the hearing. We'd appreciate that that be all checked out before we started. But considering you're having trouble with your equipment, we can proceed with you as audio only. Next time we have a hearing though with you guys, can you make sure that your equipment's up to snuff? Appreciate that.
Yeah,
So
we thought all was well, but now,
yeah, sometime, if there's a upgrade or something, but just to test it out, maybe the day before or, a few hours before we start would be usually allows you to get the kinks out if you can. But
yes,
you
absolutely.
can see the screen share. Is that true? You can see us?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, that's helpful. So, all right. So, is this Rhonda Dalkey on the line for the owner?
Yes, it's yes, Rhonda Dalkey.
Okay. Just gonna change your screen name. I had that ready to go, but then I deleted it for some reason. Okay. And anyone else there with you, Rhonda?
Chris Dalkey
Okay, Rhonda and Chris.
and Dennis Dalkey.
Okay. All right. Great. Okay. Well, we got our live stream going, and looks like all of our systems, most of our systems here are running. So let's get started. This is docket 6410 ER 105, the application of Westfield Milling and Electric Light Company for authority to adjust electric rates. My name is Michael Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC, and we're here on Zoom with utility and commission staff for this public and party hearing. Now, probably the first hearing I've done in about a month now because of holidays. So I hope I don't get tripped up on all the things I need to tell you. But what we're doing here today is creating the record in the case. That's the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, and any comments we receive from the utility commission staff and members of the public that join us before we adjourn. We're also collecting public comments in writing, and the instructions on how to do that are on our notice of hearing. You can use the internet to file a comment or mail a comment to us, but they must be in our hands at the commission no later than Thursday, January 8th. I'm not sure how many comments we have on file yet. As of yesterday, there were none filed. But we're also live streaming the hearing so the public can view that. And the live stream becomes a recording on our YouTube channel for hearings, and that recording will also be part of the record. So what we do at the record is we provide it to the decision maker in the case. In this case, it's Kate Christensen, the division administrator for the Division of Energy Regulation and Analysis. So the administrator will review the record and make a decision, and then a written order will issue based on that decision. It'll be emailed to the utility and put on the commission's website on our ERF system. And just for people who may want to review that, the link to the documents in the case are on our notice at this. I'm just showing that on the live stream, this link here. And I think that's all we need to do for preliminary items here. We do have a list of documents that the utility filed and commission staff has indicated they should be exhibits in the case. So I'm going to switch our view here on the screen share to that list. And we have 26 documents altogether from the utility. First one being the notice of hearing to customers, and the rest being more technical documents, the application and data request responses. So who do we have in attendance from the utility that can verify those documents under oath?
I can, Rhonda Dalkey.
Okay, Rhonda. So I'm going to swear you in. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you can see the screen share, correct?
Yes,
Oh, and I'm sorry, I should have you just state your name and title for the record.
sure. Rhonda Dolkey, treasurer.
All right. And so the documents we have on the screen here, I just had a question about the notice of hearing. Oh, how were customers notified in this case?
They were put in the bills.
Okay, a bill insert.
Yes,
Okay, great. And otherwise, you're familiar with all the documents listed, the 26 documents listed for the utility, is that correct?
yes, I'm familiar with them
And are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
to the best of my knowledge.
Okay. Do you have any comments you'd like to add?
No,
All right, so I'll just ask the other people in the room with you on behalf of the utility. Did anyone else wish to make a comment?
no.
No? Okay. All right, so we'll move on to commission staff. So I'll just show that on the screen share here. Commission staff, we have two exhibits. First one being revenue requirement. And you're going to tap my ignorance here. Who is going to verify the revenue requirement exhibit?
That would be me.
All right, great. So Lauren Corbeil, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
And you're familiar with the revenue requirement exhibit?
I am.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
It is.
Any comments?
I have none.
All right, so we'll turn to the cost service study and rate design exhibit with Samantha Jervis. I'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You're familiar with cost service study and rate design?
Yes.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Any comments?
Nope.
All right, so now we'll turn to our participant list. There's no one else joining us here in the hearing, so no members of the public to comment. But I'll just remind everyone that we do have the opportunity to file a written comment still up until Thursday using the link or by mailing it to the commission. Just want to note that it may be getting a little late for that mailing to get to us on time. So using the internet would probably be your best bet. All right, so I think we have everything we need for the record. I will forward this off to the administrator. And any questions or any issues we need to address before we adjourn? Nothing?
I
Oh, yeah.
I have a question. Is
Who-
there
Is this Rhonda?
it's Rhonda, I'm sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay. Go ahead.
I have a question. Is there any type of timeline when Kate Christensen will be done so that we're able to use the rates?
Yeah, staff can probably just give you a heads up on what the timing looks like. Any ideas from you guys?
I am not sure. I know that we're gonna push this through as a priority since that case has been going on so long. But it is a little bit difficult for me to give a definitive date. We do have a final decision almost done at this point, so we should be able to get it moving pretty soon, but I'm not sure when Kate is gonna have it completed.
Thank you. The only reason why I ask is that this Westfield works in conjunction with Pioneer, and we've just submitted, the 15th is the effective date for the Pioneer rate. So we were just asking to try to make it happen together.
Yeah, I don't believe that this will make it through all of our internal review by the 15th. But I do know that we are prioritizing pushing this through as soon as possible.
Okay. So, okay. All right.
Okay. Well, thanks, Rhonda. And that's something that would be perfectly fine if when I asked for comments, that would have been a great comment for you to give at that point. So that would be a good heads up for the administrator to know. But you said it already. You said it now, so that's fine. Just so
Okay.
you know, in the future, when I ask if anyone has a comment, that's the kind of thing we're looking for. Any issues, any special concerns you have or consideration we need to give.
Oh, thank you. We just we don't know. This is
Yep.
actually my first rate case.
Is it
I mean,
really? Okay. So I know
I mean-
that, okay. So welcome.
Well,
I mean, I
we've
know the
been-
Dalkey name, but I didn't
Yeah,
realize you were.
we've been here since 1905, but this
Yep,
is the
yep.
first one that I've kind of been on my own. So,
Okay.
No.
Yep, so now you know, yeah, so camera and comments, that's your chance to tell us what you think, any questions, concerns. But yeah, no worries. We're here to,
Okay.
try to facilitate this as best we can and make sure everyone gets a chance to participate and get all the facts out for the decision maker. That's our goal. So I'm glad you spoke up when you did.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you
great.
for your help.
Sure, no problem. Anything else from anybody? All right. Well, thanks very much. We're adjourned. Take care. Happy New Year.
Happy New